What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the FLYEERRKicks cave. If this your first time here, man, I sincerely hope you enjoy yourself. Feel free to hit that like button, drop a comment if you like the content, and we on the road to 1,000 subs, so definitely subscribe and share this video, man. Now getting right to it, man. As you can see in the title, man, I said I got a quick unboxing for y'all. It's kind of early, man. I got these in a couple of days ago, but I just now had time to shoot the video. Y'all see this Jordan 1 box. I got these from the exclusive access last week, and the tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Black, White, and Game Royal. Yeah, I heard that Game Royal, man. These joints do drop tomorrow. We got the Game Royal, Royal Toes, whatever name you want to call them. We got them a couple of days early, man. Now off the rip, man, the quality on this shoe, man, is super nice, man. I definitely can see these doing solid on the resale market, man. I like the whole like bread toe shatter backboard colorway, but I like that whole little blocking scheme. This is kind of a mix between like a bread toe blocking and like the not for retail blocking on the backside, but it's still cool, man. Just right off the rip, man, my only dislike about this shoe is the white wings logo, man. It just doesn't. I wish I would have did like the regular bread royal like wings logo, made this joint blue instead of white. But other than that, man, super cool shoe. I like these joints, man. I'm not even really a fan of blue shoes like that, and this is kind of a new color blocking scheme for Jordan brand to kind of be using, so it's cool, man. Like I said, this is Jordan 1. You can't really go wrong with a black, white, and added color on the Jordan 1, man. But these are super cool. Quality is super nice, man. Got some solid leather in there. I still like these leather tongue tags that they've been using lately. That's a nice touch, man. I like this, just adding something new. I wish they would have gave us white laces. Since they gave us the white wings, the white laces would have been dope, as well as blue, but I guess they want to save a little money and only give us one extra set of laces, man. But overall, man, these joints are super cool, man. They drop tomorrow on May the 9th for 170 plus tax, so that'll be about 184 out here in Texas. All of the foot sites are dropping 9 a.m. Texas time. I know a couple of our local spots are opening around 11 to pick up from their raffle calls, like City Gears and Active Athletes did guaranteed tickets. So I mean, just depending on your area, man, if you're gonna try to get it online, we're gonna try to get it in store, man. Y'all let me know what your plan is for tomorrow, or let me know if you hit on the early release exclusive access last week, man. I know a lot of people were complaining about the shipping times, but I didn't pay for the extra 2-day shipping. I think the release was on Thursday, I believe, last week, and I got my grade school pair on maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. I got my grade school pair on Tuesday, grade school pair on Wednesday, and I got this men's pair on Thursday. So it wasn't too bad, man, with Nike being backed up due to COVID and things like that. Shipping wasn't too bad. Like on the FLYEERRs and the DMP6s, those took about 2 weeks a piece. So I mean, definitely satisfied with that. So hopefully that means Nike is catching up on their shipping and everything isn't as backed up anymore. Like I said, once these did actually ship out, they did come in 2 days. They came from the Memphis factory, which I thought Nike closed, but maybe they opened it back up. But these did come from the Memphis factory. They came, one left out on Monday, got here Wednesday. One left out on Tuesday, got here Thursday. So pretty cool shipping. But enough of all the small talk, man. Let's go ahead and get up close and personal with these joints so you can see these materials. Check out this colorway. See if you like this white wings logo that I don't like, but you guys can see it and give you guys an honest opinion, man. Let's get up close and personal. Royal Toe Jordan 1s. Now getting straight off the rip with these joints, man. First thing you see is that OG black and red Nike signed Jordan box, the OG Jordan 1 box, man. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, white, and Game Royal, size 9.5 in these joints. I actually didn't get through on the first wave, if you remember from the exclusive access, but they had like a quick restock, and I hit on that second wave, man. But here you go, man. Got that nice shiny black leather on here, some nice little quality white mid panel leather. Solid blue outsole, really nice bright blue royal, you know. I really don't like this white wings logo, but it doesn't look bad on this shoe, but it's cool. I still wish they would have did the blue wings logo. Comes with extra blue laces, man. Same thing on the other side with the white mid panel, some solid leather, man. It's not this tumble that's, let's say, the 2016 bands like I always compare to, or even the 2017 Royals, but there's some solid quality on here, nothing too stiff. Like I said, man, same on this shoe. Nice blue outsole, pure white midsole, pure white mid panels. Man, I like that they did the pure white instead of the cell that they've been using a lot lately. But yeah, man, these are cool. I like these. Now I did get a grade school pair in as well. Now on that grade school pair, I seen like a couple of flaws, like some frayed edges on the leather, just chipping on the Wings logo. Just chipping on the Wings logo, and then I seen a lot of glue stains around the toe box on the grade school pair. But not so much on the men's pair. I didn't really see any flaws. So I mean, let me know how y'all feeling about these. Are you copping or are you dropping, man? Let me know. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got the Royal Toe Air Jordan 1s, man, that drop tomorrow on May 9th. Good luck on that release, man. Let me know how you cop. Let me know how you plan on copping. Come back tomorrow and just drop down some knowledge on how you were successful or what L's you took, man, so somebody can know how not to take that L next week. But that just about wraps it up, man. Until next time on the next video, got the Royal Toes. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video, man. Till next time on the next video, peace.